nhỏ mà cái thóc bộ cái nhỏ thế mà cho nên bố thì bố bó mong mà nãy đi đâu cái chuyện của tôi tàu một nó mà tôi nó chẳng mong nó đâu nó rồi nó không bạn rồi không sửa
cái lúc mà coi trên bên trong mà cái hoa hoa nhạc trùng rồi cái này hoa cho ý cho bây giờ mình kèn thì bây giờ mình kèn chứ chỗ tôi cho bây giờ bây giờ cho ý à một con tàu cũng còn làm cái gì này thì thôi chỉ chắc là sắp rồi thì không mấy chuyện này tôi cứ chạy ra thôi khai mà ví dụ còn do là thì bây giờ ví dụ chơi bây giờ nó bây giờ trồng suy dẫn thì bây giờ ba trồng cái tôi sẽ ở trong đây mà tôi bây giờ tôi còn làm thì lo gì đó tê có bên không cho mà chị chế gì đâu biết cho nên là nó cái này trong những lời nhà dùng cái dân tổng sản với dân chị có được nói rõ đó là cause I will tell you cho bên sao có còn lấy nhận dùng đã cái này cho có cái mong cái mong tân hiện đại đi chờ cái mong tân đã chạy không phải là mấy chị mua con thì không như lên đã chạy thì về cho sợ thì tiên tận đồng lòng với tầm ốc rồi nên phải tụng trên cho nó về nó được mong mong lời cái sáng hành kia lấy máu rồi thằng máu của mình thì sao mà tiếp đã đi đâu nó gọi xong đi đâu rồi nó chịu cô cũng lo đất của ta còn đây chẳng đi cũng đi sẽ đi không có
A traditional Hmong story tells of how the Chinese emperor devised a strategy for Hmong village to adapt different styles of dress, hoping that over time they would begin to think of themselves as different people. Although the Hmong never lost their shared cultural identity, some groups did develop small differences in language and in customs, such as wedding and funeral ceremonies. Today, the Hmong women and men, each subgroup wear distinctive traditional clothing. Some outfits will consist of coins and silver necklace, which indicates their family's blood. Our fashion show will showcase 6 main subgroups for the Hmong.
Our first couple is Maisi and Danny Bukalpison, and they are wearing Hmong green. Maisi is wearing a traditional Hmong green skirt. The design on these skirts are created simply by eye and memory, with a steady hand guided by the grain of the fabric's woven threads. Danny Bukalpison is wearing the traditional Hmong green pant. It is distinctively different because of its drop crotch, with a pink sash around the waist. On top, he is wearing a white collar shirt with a blue printed vest.
Up next, we have Leah and two Hmong. They are wearing black Hmong. Traditional black Hmong outfit, which consists of a black shirt, black slacks, and two black aprons, one in the front and the other one in the back. They are all held at the waist by a green sash and a pink sash. She is also wearing a sao, silver necklace, and her hat.
Hmong is wearing a black pants now with a pink sash. On top, he has a black shirt, and he's also wearing a black hat. Our next couple is Kashi Yang and Benjamin Cat. They are wearing striped Hmong. Kashi is wearing a shirt with striped, extremely long sleeve. She has on a black pants with an apron in front and in the back. Around her waist are a green and pink sash, and on top is an embroidered white band. Ben is wearing a striped white vest. He has on a black pants with an embroidered red sash around his waist. They are wearing white Hmong. Zong Li is wearing a traditional Hmong white hem skirt. She has on a black apron and a pink and green sash tied around the waist, followed by a black shirt and a traditional headdress. Peter Fong is wearing the traditional white Hmong outfit. It consists of a black neck similar to a vest and a black wide leg trouser pant held at the waist by a red sash.
Susan Yang and Brian Payne are wearing Hmong tie. Susan is wearing a pink blouse tucked inside a traditional tie wrap skirt with a light blue scarf. Brian is wearing a white collar button down shirt and a black dress pant with a blue sash, also known as a pop muff.
And lastly, we have Gao Ah and Bobby Ming wearing Hmong, modern Hmong. Since the immigration to the U.S. and other countries, there has been many modifications. But the outfit that our couple is wearing, you can see the American fashion influence with its simplicity. Gao Ah is wearing a two-top tucked in a white hem skirt, held up by the black sash tied around her waist. And Bobby is wearing a white V-neck t-shirt and a black skinny jean with a traditional embroidered red sash tied around his waist.